Hey there, welcome to the 2020 Syntec Marine Expo. My name's Ryan Paris and I'm here with Mike Meyer, our business unit manager for ReFLEX. And we wanted to talk a little bit about the ReFLEX product and what makes it different than the other products that are out there in the industry. So why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. Well, the biggest difference between us and our competitors is the actual foam that we use. ReFLEX is made with a PE foam, as opposed to most everybody else out there is an EVA. And that PE foam really lends itself to greater durability and dimensional stability than what else we see out there.
Right. So we've moved into a new facility now where we're fabricating and manufacturing this product. What are some of the unique differences to this product that others don't have?
Sure. Well, the biggest thing is the true grain finish. The true grain finish is a process that Syntec developed. It's proprietary, and it really gives ReFLEX a look and feel that much more closely resembles real teak, while at the same time it increases the durability, the surface finish, and the dimensional stability of the product.
Right, right. So that's one of the things that Syntec has done, not just with ReFLEX, but a lot of their products, all of their products, is putting it through rigorous testing. And that's something that we've done over this past year and a half or so to really show that performance difference with ReFLEX with true grain finish, right?
Absolutely.
Good. So now tell us a little bit about some of the things that we do differently, not just from a product standpoint, but some of the stuff that we've developed and you've worked with your team on to where we can digitize and design these boats for these builders much faster and more precise.
Sure. Well, we approach the digitizing process a lot different than everybody else out there. We actually take digital photographs of your boat and we extract real three-dimensional information, build a true three-dimensional model of the boat, which allows us to make very precise pads that fit your boat exactly.
Right, so there's no more of the Mylar kits and probe tracers and all that stuff, so we've eliminated that. And that's something that we can take to the boat builder itself, right? It's not just something we do ourselves.
Absolutely, we can come out to you, digitize the boat in short order, and our CAD team at ReFLEX can actually work with photographs of your boat so they can actually see the results of what they're designing right in front of them.
Nice, that's awesome. Now, some of the other things that we do as well inside our facility is some of the laser patterning and laser stuff that you see on boats now with the new graphics and things. Tell us a little bit about what ReFLEX can do there and then kind of where we've taken it.
Sure. Well, there's a lot of companies out there using the lasers, and anybody can put a logo on the pads. But what we've really done is with our impact patterning, we can actually add a finish with the laser. It gives it a whole other look and texture that's really unique, and again increases the durability and that dimensional stability of the product.
Man, that's neat. So new products that we're promoting out there this year to our customers is not just the laser patterning and the laser graphics that you can see behind us, but also that impact pattern where we're taking basically true grain to the next level, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so that's something that is really unique with ReFLEX and Syntec and the amount of investment and time that they spend in product development, testing, and performance capabilities. So if you'd like to learn more about the ReFLEX product, where you can get it, how it can fit for you, please reach out to one of our sales reps. Go onto our website because we'd like to work with you.